Hey friends, if you wish to uninstall the Snip and Sketch tool in Windows, then please watch this video. So the Snip and Sketch tool comes with the name of sniping tool in Windows. Just search for it, click on the three dots associated with it, select uninstall and then uninstall it. Okay, this is one way. The next way is to right click on the start button and select settings. Now go to the apps tab, select installed apps, let it load and then search for sniping tool and then click on the three dots here and then select uninstall. This is how you can remove the sniping tool. Okay, now I'll show you that if you are removing the sniping tool, okay, and you wish to install it again, then how would you do that? Because you won't find it online, but you can find it from the Microsoft Store. So search for store in the Windows search bar, go to the Microsoft Store, search for sniping tool here, go to the sniping tool and then select install. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.